Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on? Hope everybody's doing well. I wanted to do an unboxing here of some cars that I got off of eBay. I've already kind of like sliced it open. I don't like to do it while doing the video because sometimes, you know, have a little trouble opening it, and I don't want the video to be too long and, you know, hold you up for time that is not, you know, necessary. So, yep, these are some cars I bought off of eBay, and I wanted to share the video with you. So these are some good stuff, man. Very good stuff, well put together in there. I think you already seen one there. These things look neat. Oh my god, these cars are neat. Right, let's see the first one. Wow, he looks like he got it for $1. I think maybe the protector he got for $1. Anyways, wow, look at this. Datsun 510 Bluebird. But the coolest thing about this car, it's not just the car itself, of course, but look at that. But look at the condition of the car. Let's see. These protectors are not. The condition of the car looks excellent. Let's see. There you go. Bubble right here. Wow, look at this. Wow, this car is well kept. Look at this. Beautiful. Excellent condition. Wow. Nice. Put it right back in there, man. This thing is neat. Alright, we're gonna put it right back in there. Keep it well protected. This is the Bluebird, faster than ever, from the 2012 collection right there. See it? That's what it looks like in the back. I've seen videos and they're saying that these were like peg warmers back in the days. I couldn't believe that. Anyways, and this one I think you've already saw it. Again, Datsun Bluebird 510 2009 model. This car for 2009 is really nice. I'm liking the wheels, man. Look at that. Right? Beautiful. And again, the condition of the car. Here's what it looks like on the back. Got the date of birth of the car, birthplace, specialty, tires and everything from Nissan. Excellent condition. Don't know if you can see it, but this there you go. This one's got a roll cage right there. See it? Neat. And last but not least, this is another. Woo! This is Bluebird 2009 new models. And again, look at this thing. Well kept. Inside is this. Look at the card. No crease at all. Great, excellent condition. Look at that. Which one's your favorite? Let me know. Which one is your favorite? Let me know. We put the right there.